Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're in my friend's garage looking today at the Liftmaster half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. It looks like this opener was made back in May of 2012. This opener is actually 13 years old when it was installed back. And here, yes, I do. Sorry guys, there is a party going on, so here's the wall button over there. Now let's go ahead and close it. But you have to hold the button down in order to close it. I'm just gonna show you the garage door from the outside, because this is in a detached garage. There it is. Now let's open it back up. The opener is kind of quiet. Can't really hear the opener that much. This one does have a lock button and a light button. Now let's do the closing again. Now we'll open it back up. Not sure if you can hear the motor sound. Okay, now let's close it again, and I will show you the door. All right, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time, and I'm just gonna leave the garage door open. Here we go. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.